To prevent accidental touches when your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is in your pocket or bag, you have to enable accidental touch protection feature. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen, and then tap the gray on off switch next to accidental touch protection until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, it will protect your phone from accidental touches when your phone is in a dark place such as a pocket or bag. This keeps your phone from opening apps or making accidental taps on its own. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.